I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. What are transportation industry business loans? Every mile moved has a cost. Freight costs are spiking, gas and diesel fuel is sky high, maintenance and unit replacement costs rising. If you run trucks, box trucks, dump trucks, buses, limos and last mile vans or cars, you're bridging cash gaps. So what are transportation industry business loans?
I'm going to give you direct information from underwriting. So we have let's go with this one first. I want to make sure that I'm giving you the most up-to-date information from our underwriting department. So if we're talking about looking at sales over $15,000 a month, and we have a flex rate funding package, okay? And this will provide funds up to $2 million. We have another product that is our core rate funding, and you may have heard me speak about this product as well. Now this one is very difficult in terms of being a new business because this one requires 2 years in business and absolutely needs a threshold of no less than $15,000 a month in monthly revenue. FICO score 685 and above. Minimal NSFs, minimal negative days in bank accounts. So you see there, just the NSFs would preclude you from a bank loan. But as long as you have the 2 years in business and you have the 685 FICO score, this is a great product that has, and I've spoken about this before, a prepayment discount, okay? And so if you want or interested in something like a prepayment discount, meaning you really only want to use the funds to, it's completely short term, then you want to ask about our core rate funding. Revolving line of credit, from $6,000 to $150,000, $250,000 in gross sales, 2 years in business, FICO scores at 685, terms up to 24 months for this product. When I say product, I mean a loan product being the line of credit. So I think what needs to be understood is you can get something that's tailored to what your needs are, depending on how long you have been in business, what your FICO score is, and yes, what your monthly revenues are, monthly revenues being the priority. And that's what I've repeated several times so that you can feel the confidence of not having to worry about, my FICO score suffered a little bit, okay? So let's focus on those monthly revenues and let's talk about what might work for you and get you funded. Thank you.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.